से में कुशन कवर, पिलो कवर, गोल तकिए का कवर, ये बजाने का सूट, ऐसा कवर बनता है, ऐसा सिंपल आता है, वो किसी काम में नहीं आता है, गेट बजाता है, इसमें से बना।
फिर भी आपको आइडिया है कितने टाइम में आपको मशीन बदलनी पड़ी?
3 साल तक तो रहेगा।
ये काफी महंगी मशीन है ना?
I thought it was a fantastic initiative where we could actually support unemployed people, whether it was women or men, but clearly support people who have an entrepreneurial talent and who have the drive to do the business. Give them an opportunity, probably which circumstances don't give. If I could play a part in making sure that a right deserving candidate could actually get an opportunity, it made a lot of sense to me. I could easily give a half a business day for that.
मेरे लिए तो एक ऐसा हो गया जैसा अंधेरे में रोशनी मिल गई मुझे। बहुत निराश हो गई थी अपना काम बंद करने के बाद।
Lot is still quite away from the banking world, because if you go to a bank for just opening an account, forget the loan part, just opening an account, you will be asked identity proof, address proof, so many things that you will wonder why you have come to the bank, and that's where I think institutions like BFund or NGOs that are supporting this are basically bridging the gap between the organized sector and I would say unorganized sector.
I remember one line what she said like अगर आपको दुश्मन को कुछ ट्रीटमेंट देना हो तो आप उसे रेडीमेड गारमेंट बिजनेस में डाल दो, बट that's what I have to do because I want so much good life for my
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में नहीं चलती है?
चलते हैं लेकिन वहाँ पे भाड़े की लाइट है, जैसे समझ जाइए महीना आएगा
रेंट देना पड़ता है, भाड़ा देना पड़ता
हाँ भाड़ा पूरा महीना पर चलाएंगे 300 या 200 भी दे दिए तो बस हो गया, ऐसा कुछ।
I think I have never met such kind of entrepreneur. What I realized when I met first is a sleek looking female who comes. I was wondering what she's going to talk about. The moment we started asking questions, I realized that I think she has too many things to be shared.
We sit on our desk punching in numbers, we take home a good salary, but do we add enough value? This is what it has made me think.
साड़ी का बिजनेस और अभी तो मैं करती हूँ, तो ज़्यादा बढ़ाने के लिए वो करना चाहती कि दुनिया में कैसे जीने का है, तो पढ़ाई लिखे होगा तो बहुत अच्छा है।
I would first of all thank BFund for giving me such a lovely opportunity. I think this has been the last couple of hours which I spent here has been most eye-opening hours which I spent. At times I relax in my armchair and think about doing a entrepreneurship, and all it needs is the spark and the fire and the ability to take the risk is the biggest thing which I learned. And I think some of these people have that street smartness or that courage right in them that makes a difference for them to take that step forward to do the business. It's not about the funding, it's about that I come whatever, I'll go and do it.
One line which was awesome, she's like, I'll patao my customer come what may, which was like we need such people in banking more,
तो फिर कैसे फील हो रहा है आपका? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है क्योंकि एक्चुअली लाइफ में कुछ करने जा रहे हैं किसी के लिए, और उसमें आई थिंक मैं तो ये सोच रही हूँ कि मैं सक्सेस होंगी। आई हैव अ फुल कॉन्फिडेंस।
कोई भी आप दुकान चलाओ तो शॉप एक्ट लाइसेंस चाहिए। शॉप एक्ट मीन्स दुकान चलाने के लिए आपको लाइसेंस चाहिए, वो मिनिमम है रिक्वायरमेंट, उसका कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं आपको, लेकिन वो कंपलसरी चाहिए आपको, उसके बगैर आप कोई भी दुकान चला नहीं सकते। ये भी दुकान
This lady that I have interviewed had that spark in her, wanted to go that extra mile to have things done. She would fight with anything that would come in her way, and that is one thing that inspired me.
This was not my first experience for interviewing social entrepreneurs, but it was a different experience in that whenever I have interviewed anyone, it's been from a student background or a business person trying to set up a new business. So it was purely on the basis of either making a social impact or trying to make more money, basically, just for profit. But what I saw here, and what was impressive, was that all these ideas and all these entrepreneurs were driven by a specific need. There was very little want in there. There was a need.